Now we work for the heart. The heart is allocated on the left side. The color is ruby red, the emotion is love, and the negative emotion is hatred. So from here, same way, take your hands up, press it up, bend your body to your right side so that you stretch out your left. Inhale, visualize ruby red covering your heart, love entering in, hatred going out with the sound. Come back. The sound is H-A, ha. Again. Inhale, ruby red color, love entering in, hatred going out. Come back. One more time. Inhale, ruby red color, love entering in, hatred going out. Come back.